Are we back? Am I back on the line? That was fucking weird. Just give me a notification. I don't know, I got 2 screws in there. Okay. That was weird. It stopped streaming or whatever. It was really weird. I don't know. I got 2 screws in there. I hope it holds in there. It just looks weird. Aesthetically, it doesn't match up. Who's gonna be looking at the back of it anyways? It's the only time you guys are gonna see the back of this thing. It's the only time I'm gonna see the back of this thing. I think it's fitting in there fine. Okay. Then I gotta go back and see what space said in order through the back. Power supply the motherboard next and start hooking up the cables. Okay. I don't know. There's a bunch of shit everywhere. Alright, I just gotta figure out where to put this fucking thing at. Where this is gonna go in. I'm trying to destaticify myself, okay? Alright. This thing looks like really fucking big too. It might just be because of the box. Oh, they gave me fucking stickers, dude? Hell yeah. Dude, they give me a fucking coaster? Dude, they give you a coaster, dude. I'm fucking using that. They gave me stickers. Dude, this is sick. They gave me a bunch of stickers, dude. Wow, that's cool. That's even more cooler than the motherboard, to be honest with you. Okay, here's the user guide, I guess. Oh, they gave me a disc. Oh, they gave me a DVD. They gave me a free DVD. I'm gonna assume this is like a support DVD, I guess. How to fix it, wherever. Time to gear off. Here's your 20% coupon for CableBod cables. Okay. Just gonna set that back in there for a second. Let me go through this. Boring. Installation tools and components. Before you proceed, unplug the power cord from the wall socket before touching any component. Before handling, use a grounded wrist strap or touch a safely grounded object or a metal object, such as the power supply case, to avoid damaging them due to static electricity. I'm touching my metal table legs. I hope that helps. I hope it works. Static pad or in the bag that came with the component. It didn't come with the bag. Peripherals. What the fuck? Oh my god. Alright, so I'm gonna assume this goes into the motherboard. Touch your American flag for good luck. So I'm gonna assume this goes into the motherboard. I see like a couple slots or wherever. I'm gonna wait on that, I guess. Or something. It's like showing some like memory configuration shit. I don't know if I should put that in right now or not, but I'm gonna wait actually. Oh my god. This isn't like putting like any... This isn't like Legos. What the fuck? There's like A, B... There's like the whole fucking alphabet in this whole thing. It has like the word Subaru and shit like that in it. I don't even fucking know what it means. Water in, water out, and water flow connectors. Okay. I guess right now, this is what I'm just looking at, I guess. The motherboard layout. I guess that's the most important part. Anyways. It's the difficult thing is getting it into the fucking thing, though. Is inserting this, the heart. This is pretty much the heart of the PC, okay? Pretty much, right? Or the brain. This is the brain of the brain of the heart of the PC. Okay? I'm gonna keep that. That's the important thing. Right now, so fuck. Right now I gotta figure out where the fuck this thing's gonna go into. Okay, I'm touching the metal thing on my thing. Okay. Cause I don't wanna fuck this thing up. What the fuck is that? It's just bots. What is this? That's bananas. How do we get this thing out of here? I'm gonna break something, dude. How do we get this thing out of here? How do they expect me to get this thing out of here? That's it. That was smart. Alright. It says, important. Install processor first, then remove and keep the cover. I don't know what the fuck that is. Exterior fan, speaker, RGB header, HDD, LED light. What the fuck? Alright, my main concern is just getting this in the fucking computer, dude. Where the fuck do I put this? Alright. Space Ninja 88. This is an emergency. Emergency call.